In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two websites where you can earn money simply by reading books, articles, documents, essays for clients. I'll also share with you tools that can ease your job as a proofreader. If it's a topic you're thrilled by, stay with me. Before we proceed, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain this as simple as possible. Proofreading is like giving your school essay or any piece of writing at all a final check to make sure it's as good as possible. It's like looking for little mistakes and making your writing better. That being said, before sharing these websites with you, let me show you the tools you can use as a proofreader. The first tool is Quillbolt. With Quillbolt, you can run a grammar check, plagiarism check, spelling check, and the likes. You can install the extension for Chrome, for Word, and if you're using a Mac, you can install the extension for Mac as well. Alright, I want to show you how you can use this as a proofreader. Let me get an article to use. Okay, now it's going to highlight all the errors. Like here we have, this is supposed to be skills, replace it with skills, click on it. If you think what you wrote is correct, you can just click on ignore, but if it's not, you correct it, click on the word that is highlighted. This is supposed to be looking and not looky. You click on looking, to be, and the space, remove the extra space, have been. So you just keep doing that for each of the corrections until all the errors are gone, and then you have this, you are good to go. Make sure you also go through the piece of writing yourself too. So that's how to use Quillbolt to proofread any piece of writing. The next tool you can use as a proofreader to checkmate errors, spelling errors, grammatical errors is Grammarly. Grammarly is totally free. I have Grammarly extension installed in my computer. I am also using the Grammarly app for my phone. We're going to use the same piece of writing to see how Grammarly works. Okay? You can see that the same words that were highlighted in Quillbolt are the same words highlighted here. Click on it and accept. Looking, accept. In Nigeria and not on Nigeria, you click on it and accept. Keep doing that for each errors that are highlighted. So that's basically how to use Quillbolt or Grammarly to proofread any piece of writing. Let's move on to the actual website where you can apply as a proofreader. The first website is Job for Editors. You can see that they are currently recruiting. We are looking for new editors. Join our freelance team. So on this website, you can either apply as an editor or a proofreader. Let's go through the requirements. You will need advanced level of English, attentiveness to details, analytical and critical thinking skills, ability to meet deadlines, computer literacy. Additional requirements, but not obligatory, is a degree in linguistics, journalism, translation, and interpreting or international relations. Work experience as an editor, copywriter, or translator. Your responsibilities will be to edit English text on various topics, correcting all types of mistakes, grammatical, stylistic, formatting, etc. Ensuring that a paper fully meets a customer requirements, elaborating on content, paper structure, idea development. These are the responsibilities of an editor, but for a managing editor, your additional responsibility will be managing a team of writers and their workflow, teaching writers and providing feedback on their results, evaluating writers' progress. But we want to apply as an editor. So to do that, you can either click on apply here or come to where you have vacancies, click on freelance editor position. The requirements to become a freelance editor is advanced level of written English, major in linguistics, translation, or international relations, experience working as a copywriter, editor, or translator, computer skills, being attentive to details, having analytical skills, and being punctual. Your responsibilities will be to edit and proofread articles and academic papers, check customers' requirements and make sure they are met, improve the quality of writing by correcting mistakes of any kind, which can be spelling, grammatical, stylistic, etc. Make sure papers are properly formatted according to a certain style, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. So if you're working as an editor for Jobs for Editor, according to their website, this is what they offer: a flexible schedule, working remotely, fair wages, ability to control your workload, a wide range of topics to choose from, free educational course. Okay. So they say here, we appreciate enthusiasm and creativity. By choosing our company, you get a great opportunity to work successfully and be your own boss, polish your skills, and enjoy a steady income. Who doesn't want that? Alright, once you're ready to apply, click on send your CV. And this little box will pop up. But before you send your CV, make sure your CV is updated and is tailored to the job requirements. I think this is the right time to tell you I am not working for Jobs for Editors. I am not working for the next website I'm going to be sharing with you. This is just an opportunity that I came across and decide to share with you. And to apply for these jobs is totally optional. Make sure you have the requirements. You've updated your CV before applying for this role. Okay? All you need to do is to enter your email address, upload your CV, click on the little box. CV format has to be in docx. Please just upload a PDF. Once you've done that, you click on send, and that's it. Now, the next website I have to share with you is called Scribendi. To apply as a proofreader, you scroll down to where you have careers. Click on careers. Okay, these are in-house positions, meaning it's not remote, but we are looking for remote, so we are going to click on freelance positions. Go. Okay, let's go through the job description. As one of our talented freelance editors, you have the ability to work from home while choosing the types of assignments that interest you and editing completely on your own schedule. Okay, so working with Scribendi requires a moderate level of computer and internet knowledge. You need to be comfortable downloading and uploading files, saving and finding files on your computer, transferring files, renaming files, and using a website interface. You should have a good knowledge of the major documents file formats and their associated software programs. Some ability to troubleshoot technical problems is also helpful. These are major keywords you need to take cognizance of when you're updating your CV for this particular role. Alright, let's move on to their standard requirements. We have a university degree in a relevant field, at least 3 years of experience in editing, writing, document production, or language teaching, native level English ability, excellent reading comprehension skills, and the ability to follow written instructions and work independently. Be absolutely fanatical about meeting deadlines. An average editing/proofreading speed of 1000/1005 words per hour. Microsoft Word 2013 or later on a secure computer. Broadband/high-speed internet access. The ability to accept payments in your own account in US dollars. So once you're done going through the job requirements, updating your CV, all you need to do is click on apply now. And it brings you to the next page where you fill in your details. Here you fill in your first and last name, your address, your city, your state, your postal code and zip code, country, your telephone number, your email address. Where did you hear about us? You can just key anything here. Alright, the next stage is I have read the freelance FAQ. We're going to do that. I have secured broadband internet. You click on, let's check out the options. Yes, I have up-to-date virus checking software. I can accept payments in USD. I have Microsoft Office 213 or higher, and so forth and so forth. So there you have it, friend. Two websites where you can apply as a proofreader and work from the comfort of your home. The link to these two websites will be in the description as usual. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and families. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you on Saturday.